Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to play sleeper fantasy football. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your sleeper app, and once you're there, what you need to do is log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is you'll be seeing something like this on your screen. Now once you tap on the 3-bar icon on top left corner of the screen, what you need to do is just tap on the option that says play fantasy league, and once you do that, you'll be sent to choose your game option. Now all you gotta do is just simply select the fantasy football option. Now once you selected the fantasy football option, you'll be sent to the chat page. Now all you gotta do is just simply select the chat that you want to join, and once you select it, here you can see there will be an option that says join league. Simply tap on that and you will be joined in the league, and there once again you'll go back to your home screen and then tap on the 3-bar icon, and here you'll find the selected chat. Now all you gotta do is tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you will be sent to that page, and here in order to play, all you gotta do is look for the draft room and draft setting summary like 1.5 minute per pick, 15 rounds and CPU. You can also invite your friends to play as well, and that's basically how to use it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.